This is question number 12. They have given this is the condition. So if I expand, what I'll get cos beta cos A cos B plus sin A sin B plus cos gamma cos alpha plus sin gamma sin alpha plus cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is equal to minus 3/2. Now if we see, we're getting here the value of this whole term is minus 3/2. Means what? These are three separate terms: cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos alpha, and these are separate three terms: sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, sin alpha. Now see, do you remember that formula? If we take sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma whole square, it will be what? Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus 2 sin alpha sin beta 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha it is. Similarly, if I take cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, I'll get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha. Right? Let's say this is first equation, this is your second equation. Now if I sum these two, I'll get in the LHS sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, and that's equal to, see, these two terms when they will add, give 1, this will add, give 1, this will add, give 1. So in that case I'll get 3 plus 2 into this value, the first, this, so let's say it's third equation. So third equation I'll get. So I'll put directly minus 3/2 here. So what it will be? 3 minus 3. It's equal to 0. So what it means, this can be 0 only when these two individual terms are 0. Means what? Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0. Also cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma has to be equal to 0. That means these two options are correct. This is correct, this is correct. Now if we see this equation, if we take the initial condition, this one, this equation, if you just observe it, you just put that these values has to be equal to minus half, and minus half. That means cos beta minus gamma should be equal to minus half. It's not this. So the third option is also correct. Just observing the equation, because here this sin alpha plus sin beta sin gamma is equal to 0. This square is 0 or is 0. And this can be possible only if every term is 0. That means these things has to be equal and each has to be equal to minus half. Okay, solve the next one. This question is actually an interesting one. Question number is 13th, I think. Interesting question. For this, what you need to know is, suppose if I say a plus b is equal to 45, see what result will appear. You apply tan of a, tan on both the sides. Tan 45 is 1. Tan a plus tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. So taken 1 minus tan a tan b from the parameter to the right side. It will become tan a into 1 plus tan b. No, let me write it again. Tan a plus tan a tan b plus tan b, I'll add 1, is equal to 2. Tan a into 1 plus tan b plus 1 plus tan b is there, is equal to 2. So 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2 I'm getting. This interesting inequality I'll use for my next results. Now see what terms I'll take. This and the last one. No. 44. Let's leave as it is. I'll take 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44. Why? Because here a plus b, this plus this is equal to 45. Again I'll take 1 plus tan 2 into 1 plus tan 43. Again tan 1 plus tan 3 into 1 plus tan 42. Like that I'll go on and go on. Okay. And how many terms will be there? I'll move up to 1 plus tan 10 will be there into 1 plus tan 35, 1 plus tan 20 into 1 plus tan 25. Here I'll move up to 1 plus tan 22 to 1 plus tan 23. 1 plus tan 21. 1 plus tan 24. Okay, like that. Now we cannot move up till here 24. everything is covered. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, everything is there. So here for these values, how many terms are there? This is 1, 2, 2, 2, like that up to 10. I'll move up to 22 terms. So how many times I'll multiply 2? 22 times. So the sum, the value of this is 2 power 22. 2 power 22 into 1 plus 1045. So it will be 2 power 22 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be 2 power 23. Now they have said it is equal to 2 power 19 into k plus 2. So it will be 2 power 4 is equal to k plus 2. So it is 16 is equal to k plus 2. Means k is equal to 14. Cos 14 degree they are asking. Now since this 14 degree, cos 14, this k is 14, it is less than 90 degree. 14 is less than 90 degrees. So in the first quadrant, everything is positive. Cos k is positive. 10k is positive. Second k is positive. It cannot be negative. So B and D should be the correct option. Let's solve the next question. Now this next question is, this is supposed to be the question number 14. Sin theta and cos theta are the roots of this equation. That means sin theta plus cos theta is equal to B by A. And sin theta cos theta will be equal to C by A. Now we know sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. I'll put these values of sin theta using these two equations. What I'll get sin theta? This is B by A whole square is equal to 1 plus 2C by A. So B square by A square is equal to A plus 2C by A. So it will become B square is equal to A square plus 2AC. So B square minus A square minus 2AC is equal to 0. C, or I can write it as A square minus B square plus 2AC is equal to 0. Option number D. Let us solve. I think alpha plus beta is pi by 2. Beta plus gamma is alpha. I think what they want is the value of tan alpha. I think they want. See here, gamma is equal to alpha minus beta. I can take from second equation. I'll apply tan. Tan gamma is equal to tan of alpha minus beta. So it will become tan gamma is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Here one more thing I have. alpha plus beta is pi by 2. So tan beta will be equal to tan of pi by 2 minus alpha, which is cot alpha. That means tan beta is equal to 1 by tan alpha, meaning what I have is tan alpha tan beta is equal to 1. So this equation will become tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus 1. So tan gamma is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 2. So 2 tan, I'm getting a relation 2 tan gamma is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta. That means the value of tan alpha is equal to 2 tan gamma tan beta. I think what they meant is the value of tan alpha they want. That means the answer should be 2 tan gamma plus tan beta. Option A. This is question number 16. Sin 81 is cos 70. You can do it easily. This is sin 80 minus cos 70. You can write as sine of 90 minus 20. So which will be actually 90 minus 30 is cos 70 only. So sin 80 minus sin no, cos of 70 is 90 minus 20. So will be cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta sin 20. And you can apply your formula. 2 sin a minus m, 2 sin a minus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2. 2 sin 80 minus 20 by 2 cos 80 plus 20 by 2. That will become 2 sin 60 by 2 is 30 cos 100 by 2 50. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 cos 50. The answer is cos 50. That means the value of x that we are getting is 50 only. This is our answer. For the next one. This question is actually quite easy. This 17th one. See, for this kind of equation, what you have to do is cos 7, cos 14, cos 28, cos 56, cos 83 is there. What you do now? You multiply with 1 by 2 sin 7 and multiply and divide with this. Now focus on this. So this part will become what? 1 by 2 sin 7 is there in the denominator. 2 sin 7 cos 7 is sin 14. Sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. It will become sin 14. Cos 14 now. Cos 28. Cos 56. Cos 83. Now again divide by 1 by 2. Multiply with 2. So this part will become sin 28. Okay. Now this and this will be done. So for that 1 by 2, multiply it with 2 again. So this whole part, this and this will become 1 by 2 cube sin 7 into sin 56 cos 56 into cos 83. Again multiplied with 1 by 2, multiplied 2. This part will become 1 by 2 power 4 sine 7 into sine 2 theta 112. Now see, sine 112 can be written as into 2 112. This one, acha, what we can do now is this sine 112 I can write as sine of 180 minus 112 also. This is cos of 5 minus 7 by 2 power 4 sine 7. This will be sine 68. Multiply control is 68 by 16 into cos of, oh sorry. This is cos of 90 minus 7, which is sine 7. They will cancel, and this answer they have given to be equal to sine 68 by lambda. So sine 68 by lambda they have given. So lambda value is equal to 16. So that should be 16. Question I think was once asked in JEE Main. Try to solve this question. The thing that they have given us is sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So sin x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So it will become sin x is equal to cos square x. This is one thing we can use. Also, sin x by cos x will be equal to cos x. So here I can use tan x is equal to cos x. I'll be using this too. Now coming to this expression can be written as cos power 12x. Tan power 12x is again cos x, so cos power 12x again. Plus 3 cos power 10x plus cos power 10x, cos power 8x plus cos power 8x plus cos power 6x or 6x. So this will become 2 cos power 12x plus 3 into 2 cos power 10x, 2 cos power 8x plus 2 cos power 6x. What I can do is I can take 2 common and I can convert cos square x as sin x. So it will become sin power 6x plus 6 plus 3 only, okay. 3 sin power 5x plus sin power 4x plus sin cube x. Now I think I can take sin cube x common. So to sin cube x I have taken common into sin square x plus 3 into sin cube x will be sin cube x. Sin cube x plus 3 sin square x plus 3 sine x plus sine cube x plus 1, sorry, 1. So this will become, this is actually the formula of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So it will be sin x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, na? Because we know na a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube dab into, or I can write 3a square b d square using that formula. Now it will be sin x, I'll take inside, it becomes sin square x plus sin x whole cube. But sin square x plus sin x is 1, I think. So it will become 2 into 1 whole cube. So answer is 2. Let's see what this question is. It's supposed to be question number 19. This is sin 70 into, it will be 1 minus tan A tan B, right? Tan into tan 70. Now further, I can write it is this form, sin 70 into cos 10 into cos 70 minus sin 10 into sin 70. By cos 10 into cos 70 will be there. It will become sin 10 into sin 70. So sin 70, sin 70 we can cancel. This will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B means cos of A plus B, 70 plus 10 by sin 10. Now cos of A plus, this is cos of 80 by sin 10. I can write this as cos of 90 minus 10 sin 10. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it will be sin 10 degree by sin 10. The answer is 1. Question has to be a bit more clear. The student who has given me here, you see. Question number 20. What it is 3 cos 36 minus 5 sin 18. Actually, it's not clear. 5, 5 cos 36 minus 3 sin 18 is equal to a root 5 minus b by c. Then how to solve this one? See, I think we have to put the values also here. Sin 18 and cos 36 those values. Cos 36 values is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Those values you have to substitute here. So 3 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 by 5 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 will become 3 root 5 plus 3 minus 5 root 5 plus 5 by 5 root 5 plus 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 3. So it will become 8 minus 2 root 5 by 8 plus 2 root 5. So it will become 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. So I'll rationalize it now. 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. So it will become 4 minus root 5 whole square by 16 minus 5. 16 plus 5 minus 8 root 5 by 11. 21 minus 8 root 5 by 11. So if we compare this, so the value of A is minus 8, B is minus 21, C is 11. What they are saying, GCD of AC is 1. Obviously 1. And A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C will be minus 8 minus 21 plus 11. Or you can take 8 plus 21 minus 11. 29 minus 11. 8. 18. 18 is the answer.